Okay, so the glue's all dry from the handle now. As you can see, I think it's looking really nice. So now I just gotta, this is a bit bulky and oddly shaped, so now yeah, just clean this up, make it nice and flush with the guard there, and then I can put the edge on it and it'll be pretty much done. Yeah. I've decided, so this vine pattern, I was going to polish that out, but I think I'm going to leave it black on the inside bits there with the scale, just because it kind of makes the pattern stand out a little bit more, and I kind of like it. You can kind of see it there. So yeah, I'll get started on finishing shaping that. Okay, so I've sanded the handle all the way up to 600. This is just still the raw wood. I haven't coated it in anything yet, but it's really nice and smooth. I'll take it out of the vise. I'm feeling pretty proud of this one. It's not perfect, but you know, they never are. So there it is. It's pretty well balanced. If I can do this one-handed, right there. So that's come out really well. So I'll just give the handle a coat of some linseed oil, and then I can put the edge on it, and then it'll be finished. Okay, so there's the knife done. So it's pretty much finished now. I'm really happy with it. It feels nice in the hand. It's got a good weight to it. I think the handle came out quite nicely. There is a bit a bit of a blemish there. I think that it's just from the wood. So yeah, now final thing to do is put an edge on it. So how I'm going to do that, I don't have any wet stones. So what I'm going to do is I've got a 120 grit belt here that's a little bit worn out, but that's alright because I don't want it to be too aggressive. So all I'm going to do is, as if there were a whetstone, just going to put this on a bit of an angle there, and then as it's running, just put a nice, not going that way, never go that way when on a belt grinder, especially with an edge, because that'll catch and throw the knife back into you, and that's not fun. So yeah, back and then back that way, and then once I've done the 120, then I'll work my way up to 600 again, and then I'll buff the edge, and that just works as a way to strop it and get rid of any burrs, and hopefully should have a really nice razor sharp edge. So I'll do that now. So I'm not sure how that well shows on the camera, but you can see I've got a nice little beveled edge there. So I'm just checking with my fingers as I'm going, just to make sure it's nice and even. Checking down the length of the blade just to make sure it's straight. And yeah, just taking it nice and easy and slow. This takes a lot of time to make sure you get it right. Alright, so I've got my edge on there. You know, it's a little bit sharp, but not sharp enough to do any damage yet. So I'm just gonna buff the edge along this, and yeah, that should make it nice and razor sharp. So I'm just using this white compound here.